Get creative with your protein powder. There are many different ways to use protein powder, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding it to your favorite smoothie recipe, making protein pancakes or waffles, or mixing it into yogurt. Here are some fun and delicious ways to use protein powder every day. Pancakes and waffles. Make protein pancakes or waffles for a breakfast that will keep you full and energized. Smoothies. Add a scoop of protein powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for a boost of protein. Oatmeal. Make protein oatmeal or overnight oats for a quick and easy protein-packed breakfast or snack. Muffins. Bake protein muffins for a healthy on-the-go snack or breakfast. Yogurt. Mix protein powder into yogurt or Greek yogurt for a satisfying and nutritious snack or meal. Coffee. Add a scoop of protein powder to your coffee for a protein-packed morning pick-me-up. Ice cream. Make protein ice cream for a healthy and delicious frozen treat. Granola bars. Boost the protein content of your homemade granola bars by adding a few scoops of protein powder. Baked goods. Add a few scoops of protein powder to your favorite baked goods recipe, such as brownies, donuts, or cookies, for a protein-packed treat. Get creative and experiment with different ways to use protein powder in your diet.